everyone, I'm Jodie Shell with Grapeseed US, and I'm here today with my buddy Marvin Monkey to talk to you about how you can take your child on a neighborhood field trip throughout the summer, visiting hot spots right in your very own community, and turning those experiences into awesome summer journal entries. So are you ready? Let's go! You can go to the neighborhood pet shop. You could even go to the neighborhood garden shop. How about a trip to your favorite neighborhood ice cream shop? The local library, big or small. Head to the neighborhood park. Visit your neighborhood firehouse. Or visit your community police department. Walk over to your neighborhood pizza parlor or bakery. Visit your neighborhood bike shop. So no matter where you and your child decide to go throughout your neighborhood over the course of the summer, there are lots of places that you can take walking field trips to, as Marvin and I just experienced ourselves. Now remember, when you come home from all of these adventures, you then turn that into a writing experience for your child. So you can use a simple notebook, and every day when you get home from one of your walking field trips, your child can make an entry. It can be a simple picture, maybe a picture that you label, or that they even write a story about with your help. And if you don't want to use a notebook, you can just simply use some paper that's been stapled together and turn that into a notebook too. It doesn't have to be too costly or take a lot of time to put together a notebook. So Marvin and I hope that you get a lot of great field trips in throughout the course of the summer just by walking through your very own community. We hope you love this tip. Have a great rest of the week. Goodbye.